In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see WebEx chat history. This process is quite simple and will help you retrieve important conversations efficiently. First, you will want to launch WebEx on your device. Look for the WebEx icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Click it to open the application. If you are on a mobile device, find the app on your home screen or app drawer. Launching the application is crucial because it is the first step to accessing the chat history you need. You will see the initial interface of WebEx, which is user-friendly and designed for easy navigation. Next, log in if prompted. If you have already logged in previously, you may bypass this step. However, if you are asked to enter your credentials, input your username and password. This ensures that your account remains secure while accessing your chat history. After entering your information, click the Login button. You will be taken to the main dashboard of the application, where you can access your messages and contacts. This step is important as it guarantees that you are accessing your own account securely. From there, click on Messaging. This option is usually found in the left sidebar of the main interface. When you click on Messaging, the app will show you a list of your recent conversations. This is where you can find both direct messages and group chats. Selecting the messaging option is essential because it takes you directly to the area where all your chats are organized. You should now see a clean layout displaying your conversations, making it easy to navigate through them. Now scroll through your active direct messages or group spaces in the left panel to read older conversations. As you scroll, you will notice that the chats are organized chronologically. This will help you find the specific conversation you are looking for. You may see a mix of ongoing conversations and older ones. This step is significant since it gives you access to your communication history, allowing you to catch up on missed messages or important discussions. After that, click the search bar at the very top of the app header. This feature is beneficial when you are looking for something specific in your chat history. Type a keyword, phrase, or name related to the conversation you want to find. As you type, the application may start suggesting relevant results, which can save you time. Utilizing the search functionality is essential because it helps you quickly locate important messages among a potentially large amount of chat history. Once you've entered your search term, review the results that appear below the search bar. This is where you can see messages that contain your keyword or phrase. Click on any of the search results to jump directly to that specific conversation. This action significantly enhances your efficiency as it allows you to access information without scrolling through all your chats manually. You will find it easier to manage your communications this way. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly see your WebEx chat history. Remember, having access to your chats can help you stay organized and informed. Whether for work or personal use, keeping track of your conversations is vital. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.